Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus Visual Studio Code. We will explore their core functionalities, focusing on how each editor approaches modern development. I'll highlight their unique strengths, from integrated artificial intelligence to extensive customization. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool might best suit your coding needs, helping you make an informed decision for your workflow. Cursor distinguishes itself with deeply embedded artificial intelligence, offering features like intelligent chat, code generation, and error correction directly within the editor. This provides a highly streamlined experience for developers seeking immediate AI assistance. Visual Studio Code, conversely, leverages its expansive marketplace, where you can integrate powerful AI tools such as GitHub Copilot through extensions, giving you flexibility in choosing your preferred AI solution. Visual Studio Code is renowned for its exceptional performance and unparalleled customization, supported by a vibrant community and an ecosystem boasting over 45,000 extensions. This allows developers to tailor their environment precisely. Cursor, while also performant, integrates more complex artificial intelligence models, which can sometimes lead to slightly higher resource utilization compared to a bare-bones VS Code setup, though it offers a powerful out-of-the-box AI experience. Ultimately, the choice between Cursor and Visual Studio Code hinges on your development priorities. Cursor is an excellent fit for those who prioritize an artificial intelligence-first workflow, valuing integrated intelligent assistance and a modern, opinionated approach. Visual Studio Code remains the go-to for developers who seek maximum flexibility, a vast array of extensions, and a highly customizable environment. Both are powerful tools, but cater to slightly different developer philosophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.